We are out here in the middle of the Chattahoochee National Forest, I think it is. Anyways, it's in northern Georgia and we're out in the middle of nowhere. We're going to be testing out a new tarp. A friend of ours showed some pictures of him using his, so we went ahead and bought one. We got it the other day. It's made by Slumberjack. It's made specifically for hanging off the back of a SUV or a pickup truck. It comes with these steel poles. They extend out to, they're in segments. They go up to 8 feet, which is a little tall, I believe, and they're really very heavy. They're shot corded with this real chintzy shot cord, so we're not actually going to use those. We're going to use the poles that we've been using with our other tarps, and I'll show you those in a second. But it comes with some nice stakes, lots of line. It looks like the line has that reflective thread in it, so you're a little less likely to trip over it in the middle of the night when you have to go pee. Well, let's see what we got. Come on. You know, they always make stuff sacks way too small. Oh, instructions. We don't need those. We'll start the fire with these later. This is Wanderlust Overland. It's in there.
Let me see it.
No, get your own.
I want to see.
No, get your own. Now the sound you hear in the background, that's not rain. We're camped right next to a little creek. But it looks like it's gonna rain a little later. So we're gonna put this tarp up. On one end is all these straps. These go on the vehicle. The 3 straps in the center hook onto your roof rack. Okay, those are on. Then we go down here. The straps on the corners, they hook onto your body. We're going to hook ours right here on our bumper. Other people will hook them onto their rim. But it's a little bit more convenient for us just to attach it right there. As you can see, there is plenty of room for adjustment here. Now, onto the poles. Before we can get the poles on, we need to put these lines on. So to do that, you just put it in and just put a hitch in here. On the other hand, they have this kind of like a goofy stay, like a cleat, where you put the line down in there and these little teeth grab onto the line. That way you can adjust it. Not a big fan of plastic, but we'll see how long they last. So these are the poles that I mentioned earlier. We've been using these for many, many years and they hold up really well. They're aluminum, they don't weigh much at all. And as you can see, they come back down real nice. To extend them, you just twist, pull up, and then twist the lock. Again here. That's about 7.5 feet. That's a little too tall for us. I like to keep it just down to like 6.5 feet so I don't rub my head. I don't like tarps that are way up in the sky. But I'm going to put these on the corners now. And then that will tighten it up real nice. Now, another good thing to do, especially if it's windy, is attach another line right here. And this will also keep this from flapping like that and driving you crazy all night. All right, so there you have it. Now, depending on the wind, how bad it is, and how bad the rain is, we could bring these sides down further by just putting one pole right here in the center, or we can lower these poles way down. We could lower them all the way down to here if we wanted to. It's big. It's plenty of room for us. It looks like it's stitched really nice. It has these reinforcements here where the poles go through, and at all the grommets. So I think it'll be pretty durable, but you know, time will tell. But Slumberjack does make some good stuff. They make sleeping bags and stuff. They've been around for a long time, so I think it'll work out good. So for updates on how this is working out, go to our Facebook and Instagram, follow, subscribe, whatever you have to do there.
If this is your first time watching one of our videos and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell if you want to be notified.